When you search for the best air fryer with rotisserie, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to truly find the one that cooks your meals perfectly, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Rotisserie 13QT Air Fryer Oven. The Rotisserie Air Fryer Oven caught my eye with its massive 13-quart capacity and an impressive 11 cooking functions for just $139.99. If you want a versatile solution to elevate your cooking while simplifying your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. It can fit a whole 4-pound chicken or an 8-inch pizza, making it perfect for family meals. Plus, it cooks 40% faster than regular ovens, so you can enjoy crispy fries or roasted veggies in no time. With a 4.5-star rating from over 2,300 reviews, it's clear that others find it a winner too. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for small kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you love cooking for a crowd or meal prepping, that larger capacity can actually be a blessing, so it really depends on your cooking habits. This is perfect for you if you often cook for family gatherings or love experimenting with different recipes. Skip this one if you have limited counter space or mainly cook for one. Product number 2, Gourmet 14QT Air Fryer. Next up is the Gourmet Air Fryer, boasting a 14-quart capacity and priced at $111.99. This thing is an all-in-one cooking powerhouse that really caught my attention. If you're after something that can handle big meals effortlessly, this one's worth a look. It features 12 cooking presets that take the guesswork out of meal prep. Just tap a button and it does the rest, perfect for busy weeknights. The FryForce 360 degrees technology ensures your food is crispy with less oil, which is great if you're looking to eat healthier. And with 1,000 plus units sold this past month and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear others appreciate its efficiency. However, some users mention that the touchscreen can be a bit sensitive. I'll be real with you, that could be annoying if you're in a hurry. But if you can take your time to navigate it, the results are absolutely worth it. This is great for anyone who wants a versatile, easy-to-use kitchen gadget that can cook for the whole family. Skip this one if you prefer more manual control over your cooking. Product number 3, Gourmet Stainless Steel Air Fryer. Another solid option from Gourmet is their stainless steel air fryer, priced at $124.59. With the same 14-quart capacity and features as the previous model, it's a stylish addition to any countertop. If aesthetics matter to you while cooking, consider this one. The stainless steel design not only looks sleek, but is generally thought to be more durable and easier to clean. This model has also received a consistent 4.5-star rating from hundreds of buyers, which speaks to its reliability. However, some have pointed out that the capacity might be too much for smaller households. But if you love leftovers or meal prepping, that larger volume could actually save you time and effort. This is perfect if you want a stylish air fryer that can cater to large meals and leftovers. Skip this if you're cooking for just 1 or 2 people and want a more compact option. Product number 4, Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is up next, priced at $84.99. This one offers a 10-quart capacity and 17 presets, which is pretty impressive for the price. If you want an air fryer that does it all without breaking the bank, this could be your pick. This air fryer can fry, bake, dehydrate, and more, thanks to its rapid air heating elements, which means no preheating is required. That's a big plus when you're hungry and want food fast. It's rated 4.3 stars by over 50,000 users, which is a testament to its popularity. Now, there were some comments about it being a bit noisy during operation. Honestly, that was a bit distracting for me too, but if you can overlook that for quick cooking, it's definitely a winner. This is ideal for anyone who wants a multifunctional, budget-friendly appliance for cooking a variety of meals. Skip this if you're looking for something quieter or with a larger capacity. Product number 5, Emeril Lagos 360 Air Fryer. Lastly, we have the Emeril Lagos Everyday 360 Air Fryer, priced at $159.99. With its 9-in-1 functionality and 360 degrees quick cook technology, this one promises some serious cooking power. If you're ready to invest in a high-quality air fryer that can replace multiple appliances, this might be your best bet. The 930 cubic inches of space is generous enough to fit a medium turkey or multiple pizzas, making it a great choice for family dinners. Plus, with 12 cooking functions, you can tackle almost any recipe with ease. It's also got a 4.4-star rating from over 16,000 reviews, which is impressive. However, some users mentioned that accessory placement can limit the usable space inside. Here's the thing though, if you plan on batch cooking or need versatility, the trade-off for the quality and size is worth it. This is perfect for families who love to cook big meals and want an all-in-one appliance. Skip this if you're limited on kitchen space and prefer something more compact. To wrap it up, we've seen the Rotisserie for versatility, the Gourmet models for capacity, the Chefman for budget friendliness, and the Emerald Lagos for high-end performance. Each one has its strengths tailored to different cooking needs, so choose based on what fits your lifestyle best.